Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the brand new latest laptop sleeve for up to 13 to 13.3 inch. Either your MacBook, Asus ZenBook, Dell, HP Chromebook, Surface Book, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. This is by ATailorBird. Notebook carrying case, bag, shockproof, and spill resistance. It also offers a scratch and shockproof velvet lining, provide protection from bumps, scrapes, and knocks. It has a high quality ATailorBird zippers, non-snag zipping upon opening or closing. So let me give you the dimension real quick. And this one is the color gray. External dimension is length is 13.8 inch by width is 1 inch by height is 10.2 inch. Interior dimension is the same. And then the package weight is 222 grams or 7.8 ounce. And this one currently is going for $10.99 only. It's pretty good price. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. This air bubble. Says laptop sleep bag gray, and this is made in China. It's a nice texture, and it is spill proof and also shock proof. And this nice zipper. Says a Taylor bird. As you can see, the zipper is the lining is hidden or blend in pretty well. Wow, it's got that nice velvet material inside there. So you want to scratch your expensive MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or your MacBook. You got this external compartment right here. There was a zipper right here. It's a zipper hidden in there. So there's a individual pack either for your smartphone, your pencil holder, or your stylus. You can put your power adapter here. I got my 13-inch Toshiba right here, the Chromebook. Try to see if it fit in. Wow, fit in nicely. Pretty snug. Wow, that is a nice case. So yeah, guys, so if you guys want a perfect protection for your MacBook Pro or your any of the 13 to 13.3 inches display on your laptop, notebooks, you could get this nice waterproof canvas fabric and inner pockets made of special soft velvet by ATailorBird. I will link you guys a description that's going to show on below. I mean, yeah, and you can check them out. All right, for $10.99 you cannot go wrong. So this is a pretty awesome case, and I really like it. All right. Anyway, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet, and then turn on that bell for notification. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments on below. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out, guys.